In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show profit margins as percentages in Xero. To begin, log into your Xero account so you're on the main dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that your profit and loss report is set to the period you care about, since the percentages you'll see are based on whatever time frame is currently selected. From the dashboard, go to the reporting menu. This is where Xero keeps all the core financial reports. Choose Profit and Loss. This report summarizes your income, cost of sales, expenses, and profit for the selected period. And it's the ideal place to display margin percentages for clearer analysis. Once the report opens, look for the Edit Layout option. This lets you customize what appears in the report and how it's presented. Click Edit Layout to switch into editing mode. Next, select a financial row or an existing formula that you want to show as a percentage. For example, if you've already set up a formula for gross profit or net profit, you can apply the percentage display to that formula. You can also select a standard line, like a revenue or expense category, if you want that row to be shown as a percent. The key is to highlight the exact row whose values you want displayed as percentages. After selecting the row, focus on the Details panel on the right side of the screen. This panel shows options specific to the row you chose. Find the setting labeled Show as Percentage. This tells Xero to display the values for the selected row in percentage format rather than raw currency. Enable the percentage setting by turning it on. Now, review the updated values in the report preview. You should see the selected row displaying percentages, which can make your margins and proportions much easier to interpret at a glance. If you're using a formula for profit margin, this change will help you see the margin clearly as a percent, which is typically how teams communicate and compare performance across periods. If the numbers don't look right, double-check that you selected the correct row and that you're viewing the intended date range and tracking filters. The underlying data hasn't changed, only how it's displayed. So you're simply flipping the view to percentages to gain better insight. When you're satisfied, click Update Layout to save your changes. This ensures your profit and loss report keeps showing those percentages the next time you open it. And that's it. By enabling Show as Percentage in the profit and loss report, you can present profit margins and other financial values as clear, comparable percentages in Xero.